how to install Fortnite on iOS. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of installing Fortnite on your iOS device, even though it's no longer listed on the App Store. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss any steps. First, open Safari on your iPhone or iPad and visit play.geforcenow.com. From here, tap the Share button at the bottom of the screen. From the menu, scroll down and choose Add to Home Screen to install GeForce Now as a web app. Go to your home screen and open the GeForce Now app you just added. If you don't already have an account, sign up for GeForce Now. Once logged in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Here, go to the Games section. Scroll down and use the search bar to look for Fortnite. In my case, it might not appear till next few weeks, due to some sort of region circumstances. If this works for you, when prompted, connect your Epic Games account. Hit play to start enjoying Fortnite on your iOS device via GeForce Now. And that's it! You're now ready to play Fortnite on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.